pay for on your part.
I did. Oh. Brother, you have a brake like me. You have it on the same side. I don't want to do it. I don't want to use it. You want to use what? I only use like the pedals. Those are the pedals there.
You're going to have to brake, honey.
I know, but the pedals have a brake too.
Mm.
Right, Dad?
Yep.
What do you think of the color, Ben?
It's great. I really wish my bike on my lights. I really wish my light on my bike would work.
Oh,
Sweet.
this bike is awesome. What do you think?
I opened up the pedals again.
It's awesome.
They're heavy.
Pretty nice of your grandparents to get this for you, huh?
Yeah.
Ben, did you take the rest of the stuff off your handlebars? Ben, take the stuff off your handlebars.
I did. Oh.
Can I see the handlebar thing?
Just a sec.
Looks kind of cool. Firestorm?
You don't put too much tension on that cable right now.
Sweet. What up, Firestorm?
All of this has to come off. Hold on to this so it doesn't fall over.
Wait, you have a light on yours, brother, just like mine. Really?
It's a reflector, honey, not a light.
Oh. I have a reflector on my bike, that means.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a...
But we can get lights too. That'd be fun.
I
Pretty
really
cool, Ben.
want lights. I really want
Ben, are you sure you're big enough for a bike like this?
I don't want a bike like that.
Not you. Your name isn't Ben. What about you, V?
Yeah.
Ben, are you big enough? Yeah? Okay.